Hey, what's up everyone? Jeremy, aka Wild Child Inc. here. Today I'm actually at my work. As you can see behind me, there's this EVO 8 in the background. It's actually my friend's 600 horsepower EVO. Here at my work, students are learning the proper way to install wrap on vehicles, and so I brought my friend's car in. Stay tuned for the video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. As you can see behind me, I'm actually here at my work at rightlook.com in San Diego. What we are is a training facility for auto reconditioning, vehicle wrap installation, and window tint. We offer these services or these classes for people who are in the automotive appearance industry to get certified and trained at the highest level with advanced technology in order for them to provide the premium service for the businesses. So aside from that, as you can see, today we are in our vehicle wrap installation class. It's day number 3 out of 3. They've been at this since Thursday. Today is Saturday. Our students are just about finishing up this wrap on this vehicle right here. It's a EVO 8, 2003 or 2004, I believe, and it's one of my friend's cars. It's actually been his for a while, and he's been having it sit at his house for a while, and he wanted to get like a refresher of the car. The paint's been pretty bad on it. It's been repainted a couple times actually, so he was kind enough to donate the car for the class to be used. And yeah, it's turning from yellow to orange. Right now behind me we have the students that they're doing the front bumpers of the car, and you know, a lot of these students come here from out of state. They come here from actually out of country, some of them sometimes. So what they do is they don't know, some of them don't even know the proper techniques or what to expect in a wrap installation or vehicle reconditioning. Pretty much everybody starts at level 0 when they come to our classes, or sometimes we even have people who have 10, 20 years of experience that come to these classes to learn the proper techniques, because a lot of them are taught, you know, old school styles, or they're taught in a way that's probably years old, and here they learn the most modern ways of doing these kind of services. So today's wrap class, they started Thursday, like I said. They had no knowledge of doing vehicle wrap. You know, a lot of people think that wraps are easy to do. There's a lot of DIY tutorials on YouTube, but there's actually a lot of prep work and technique that comes into this sort of skill set, you know. Our students are actually being trained to be wrap install experts. So when they go back home to their businesses, they'll be able to have a certification that justifies that they know how to install wraps properly. I know that there's a lot of YouTube people, you're gonna be commenting, oh, I can do this myself, but there's actually a lot of trade secrets and a lot of skill set that goes into this. That's why people come to our school. Some of them even did try to do DIY, and you know, they figured, why is my wrap not lasting long, or what am I doing wrong? And they come here to fix those issues that they have trying to do their own wraps. And now coming out of this class, they'll be able to offer premium wrap installations for the businesses, and also allow them, as just even if they're hobbyists, they just do it, they want to learn how to do it the proper way instead of messing around with overheating the film and then causing it to rip, or you know, heating the film. You can heat it to an extent and stretch it to an extent, but a lot of people on YouTube or on vlogs or whatever, they like to overheat the wrap and stretch, and what that does is it actually damages the wrap and would risk the durability of wrap, and evidently some people end up having wraps that don't last more than a few months. And here we try to teach our students how to install wraps that are going to last years. So you can see here the students are prepping the car to get the front bumper wrapped, making the surface more adhesive so that the wrap actually bites down and stays on. So this is what we have on the car so far. They're gonna be finished with this car at the end of the day. A lot of work these students have gone from not knowing how to install a wrap, and they're actually doing really well. You know, in 3 days you get trained pretty fast to learning how to wrap a car properly. So you can see the students are now wrapping the bumpers of the car. What are you doing, Juan? You're tucking right now? He's tucking the wrap into the panels. You can see that there's an art to doing wrap installations. People think it's an easy thing, but there's a lot of technique and prep that goes into this stuff. That's why you get that's what you want, is to get the best results when you're wrapping a car. So this is the complete car from the whole weekend. As you can see, some of the parts are still yellow. Unfortunately, we ran out of time and we lost 2 students due to this coronavirus thing, so they got sick and they decided to stay home. So we didn't have enough students on hand to really do each section of the car by the time it was the end of the class. So me and the owner are actually gonna do the rest of the car as a DIY project for us. So there'll be a separate video on that one. But yeah, looks a lot better than the yellow that was originally on it. So yeah, thanks for watching the video, guys. Catch you on the next one.